Why aren't more people obsessed with hummingbirds? Everybody wants a tiny miracle in their backyard. Here's how to get one, and why it'll blow your mind. They beat their wings up to 80 times a second. That's a blur. Some species can migrate over 2,000 miles, solo. Their heart can beat 1-200 times per minute, basically. A tiny jet engine. They see colors humans can't. They remember every flower. Want them in your yard? Plant nectar-rich flowers. Skip pesticides. Hang a red feeder with fresh sugar water. 1 part sugar, 4 parts water. Big payoff. Do that and you'll get front row seats to one of nature's wildest micro shows.